Hey, what's up guys? You probably remember the last video on the Turbo Cobra channel. We cut down that line of trees there and you can see the power they brought in and the, I guess, three-phase transformer there. And so, we trenched it over to the shop. And you might notice that this area has got a lot bigger hole than just a normal trench. This trench is 30 inches deep, and it really was a real struggle. They hit the water main right here and busted it open and flooded it all out. And then up here going under the gate, they discovered a culvert that was 24 inches in diameter, about 18 inches down, and had to get a backhoe out here to clear that out. This is coming on the other side of it here. They discovered an old sidewalk, brick sidewalk, and you can see these bricks have a nameplate on them there, kind of old school style. And it trenches over to the building. But I've been told that this there used to be an old country store here, and in fact it was described to have the clear reservoirs on top, the glass bowls on top to store the gas in it. And but it's been in the 30s or 40s since that was here. But there's a guy that I know that lives nearby that's about 85, and he knows a lot of the history and all. So we got our 400 amp meter in here for three-phase, and it's broken down into two 200 amp services there. We'll show you that on the inside. So you might recognize some of the stuff down here from the Turbo Cobra shop, and let's see, we got power in here now as of yesterday, finally. But this is the three-phase panel here, even though it's got a 110 break in it right now. And this is the 220. And then down here is another, three-phase and single-phase there. And then the one single-phase panel has a sub-panel off of it, and it's down here. And this, you can see the main feeder wire coming in, and it's this feeds all the living area. So you guys probably remember the last time you saw a video on this channel. I was working on these floors, and they're pretty nasty right now, from just all the construction work and walking around in them. But they turned out really nice. I've got to when this all gets done and finished out in here, I've got another coat of sealer, so I'll go back over and clean this up real good and fix any damage that's done from the just beating and banging around, and then put another coat of sealer down. I tried to put some boxes in here, cardboard, just to in some of the heavy areas, just to keep it down. But anyway, this just kind of gives you a look. You remember me showing kind of the plan to do this in here, and that's going to be the bathroom. And so yeah, this is just kind of the inside of it here. But so anyway, it's been a long time since I made a video on this channel, and got quite a few pretty cool things coming up here. One of the things, Tom Zlickman, I'm not sure if he's still watching the channel here, Greg Porter, the local community college has a welding program, and I've been working with them, and going to have a few interns out here helping do some shop projects, some shop organization and things like that. And they got a CNC plasma table that is not operating correctly, and we're looking for some help on it. So probably make a video out there and post up what they're seeing, because one of the things that we're going to be doing here pretty soon in the next maybe I'd say 6-8 weeks is build a 5x10 plasma table, and it's going to be one of the builder kits that you kind of build yourself, using the C and CNC electronics and all. So anyway, so in the interest of keeping this video fairly short, there's a quick update. Thanks everybody.